Did you know Filipinos have their own secret buffet strategy that Americans have never figured out? Here's exactly what we do differently. Top 5 things Filipinos do at buffets that prove we understand value. Number 5. The reconnaissance mission. We don't just walk in and start eating like amateurs. First, we do a complete lap around every station, taking mental notes of what's worth our money. We're basically buffet intelligence officers gathering data before making strategic decisions. Number 4. Rice becomes the foundation. While everyone else fills up on bread, we grab rice first because it pairs with literally everything. You can't eat sweet and sour pork without rice. That's just wrong. Rice is our buffet anchor that makes every dish taste like home. Number 3. We bring the whole pamilya, family. Buffets are family events, not individual meals. Lolo, lola, titos, titas, cousins, everyone comes because sharing the experience is half the fun. Plus, someone always spots the good stuff first and signals the others. Number 2. We pace ourselves like marathon runners. This isn't a sprint, it's endurance eating. We start with lighter dishes, take breaks, maybe walk around a bit, then go back for round 2 and 3. Americans burn out after one plate. We're just getting warmed up. Number 1, we make sure we get our money's worth. We're not leaving until we've tried everything good and feel completely satisfied. If we're paying buffet prices, we're getting buffet value. It's not about eating too much. It's about experiencing everything the restaurant offers. Filipino buffet strategy combines family bonding with smart economics and genuine appreciation for variety. We turn eating into a social event where everyone wins. Comment which buffet strategy your family uses, and like, follow, and share if you recognize these Filipino buffet moves.